In this video, we are going to remove the duplicate data from each sheet. Now we are going to uh, update and duplicate data in multiple sheets, and we are going to remove the duplicate data in a single click by using AI. So now just we duplicate data in each sheets. Likewise, we are going to go for 3 to 4 sheets. Duplicate more data. Now we will save the Excel and we will update in a ChatGPT. We are going to give a command as remove duplicate data from each sheets in Excel. Just processing it. Yeah. Now each sheets have only the unique values and the duplicate values are removed by an AI. Thank you.